Hello everyone, this is Leela and I'm going to discuss about page replacement in operating systems. When we are using virtual memory, then it allows us to load the pages of a process only on demand. We don't want to load the entire process for execution. Consider this is an example. So we are having a two different process P1 and process P2. So in process P1 we are having four different pages A, B, C, D, and in process P2 we are having a four another different pages E, F, G, H. For executing this process P1, currently it requires only three pages A, C, D. So those three pages are loaded into main memory. And for executing process P2, we need only three pages E, F, H currently. So those pages are loaded into main memory for execution. At present, if a process P1 requires a page capital B, and we are checking whether this page is loaded in main memory or not by using a page table. In page table, the entry for B is invalid. That is, the page is not yet loaded into the main memory. So, we have to load that particular page B from secondary memory to main memory. And we are searching a free frame in this physical memory. But there is no free frame for loading this page B. So we need to select a particular page from this physical memory and we have to swap out. Here we need to select some other page from this and we have to swap out that particular page to the secondary memory and we have to swap in this page B to the main memory. So for selecting a particular victim, we have steps to do it. First, we have to find the location of the desired page on disk. Then we need to find a free frame. If there is a free frame, then we can make use of it. If there is no free frame, use a page replacement algorithm to select a victim. Bring the desired page into the newly free frame. Update the page and frame tables. Continue the process by restarting the instruction that caused the trap. This is an example. First, we need to select a victim process. That victim process should be swapped out to the disk. And we need to swap in the desired page into the physical memory. And that should be updated in the page table. So for finding a victim process, we have a different page replacement algorithms. First one is a first in first out algorithm. So in first in first out, we need to select a page which is entered first if there is a page replacement. And this next is the optimal algorithm. In optimal algorithm, we need to replace the page that will not be used for longest period of time. So we have to refer the future. And another thing is least recently used algorithm. So for least recently used, we need to know the past history. Replace the page that has not been used in the most amount of time. Thank you.